Hello, I challenge myself to cook 100 Cantonese food. Today is cooking 電飯煲豉油雞中翼. First, whip the chicken wings dry and then add some flavoring. And then mixing together. Set the cooking mood for the rice cooker about 28 minutes. When there are 5 minutes left, put the fried garlic into the rice cooker and mixing together. Okay, 豉油雞中翼 is done and ready to eat. They are healthy, delicious, and speedy. What Cantonese food would you like to eat? I will make next video and feel free to talk to me.